Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got the TRX-4M Bronco up on the bench. Rear wheels spinning, but something's not right. We lift up and yep, no front drive shaft. It's completely gone. Ever had a drive shaft snap mid-trail? Or maybe you're ready to upgrade before it happens? Well, let's get this Bronco trail ready again with some upgrades. Here's what we're working with. Tools on deck, metal drive shaft ready to go, time to wrench. Before we swap them out, check this out. This is the stock drive shaft. Looks fine, right? Here's the problem. This little rubber ring holds the bell in place. But one good hit on the trail and boom, it pops right off. If you're running stock, here's a quick hack. Grab some shrink tube, wrap it right over that joint and heat it up. That'll lock the rubber in place and keep you rolling without losing parts. Now, first up, these are your basic metal C-clamp drive shafts. Star shaped, easy to find, and budget friendly. But here's the catch, because they are C-shaped, they can increase torque twist on the TRX-4M. If you want to reduce twist and get a smoother ride, look for drive shaft with rounded ends, just like the stock plastic ones. Traxxas nailed at that part. Their plastic shafts are solid, unless of course you start loading the truck up with metal upgrades like we're doing. So for this build, we're going with a circular metal drive shaft that connects with a bell end, just like the stock, but way tougher. Time to get wrenching. First up, pop the hood and unplug the body. Shout out to the Injora snap-on connector for making this easy. Next, battery tray comes off. Just 2 screws and it's out of the way. No stress. Now, let's get to the real work. We're pulling the motor mount and the transmission. 4 screws hold it all down. One by one, front and back. Then we flip the chassis to reach the last 2. Once the motor and the transmission mount are free, we lift them out. And now we got full access to the drive shafts. Quick cleanup before we get our hands dirty. A little brush work to keep debris out of the gears. Always worth it. Now let's get that front drive shaft in. The broken one was already out, so we're dropping in the new metal drive shaft and getting it snugged in the transmission side. Then it's time for the rear. Slide it on, get it in seated, and boom. Check this out. Looking clean on the motor and the transmission. We drop it all back into the chassis, just resting for now. Next, it's time to remove the old rear drive shaft from the axle. Little more brush cleanup while we're at it. Metal drive shaft goes in out back. And then we move up front and do the same. With both axles connected, we're ready to lock it all back into the transmission and motor mount. Here's how it looks all installed, super clean. Now let's lock it down. 4 screws back into the chassis, nice and snug. Quick double check every screw, nice and tight. We don't want anything shaken loose on the trail. Battery tray goes back in, 2 screws, done. Fresh pack slides in. Time for a test. Snap-on connector clicks to the body, battery plugs into the ESC, and we're buttoned up. Zoom out and check it out. The Bronco's back on all 4s. Full 4-wheel drive, no torque twist in sight. We roll it off the stand and hit the trail. Smooth 4-wheel drive, no torque twist, just how we like it. If you like this content, please like, share, follow, subscribe, or do whatever you gotta do so you don't miss what's next. I'll catch you on the next one.